Keeping an eye on your revenue is important, but if you want to know how efficiently your business is actually producing its goods or delivering its services, you need to look at your gross profit. Instead of running a formal profit and loss report every single time you want to review your margins, you can build a dynamic visual widget to track this metric live on your dashboard. Today, I'm going to show you how to design and add a dedicated gross profit chart straight to your Performance Center interface. Let's get into it. To find your visual tracking workspace, look over at your left-hand navigation bar and click directly on the main Reports menu. From here, head straight into your Custom Reports tab at the top. Scroll down through your available modules and select Performance Center to pull up your Graphics Hub. Once your Visualization Hub loads, head over to the top right header area of the grid and click the green Add New Chart button. This initializes our configuration wizard where we can select our core KPI target from scratch. QuickBooks gives you a complete library of data source templates to choose from, like expenses, net income, and total revenue. Because we want to track our production efficiency today, go ahead and select the gross profit card layout, click to highlight it, and hit Continue. QuickBooks gives you a complete library of data source templates to choose from, like expenses, net income, and total revenue. Because we want to track our production efficiency today, go ahead and select the gross profit card layout, click to highlight it, and hit Continue. Now you're inside your design workstation. Right at the top, you can select your visual layout style, toggling between crisp vertical bars or a smooth, continuous trend line to watch a live snapshot preview of your margins update instantly. Over on the left-hand pane under the Customize section, let's lock in our formatting fields. Click into the name box and give your chart a clean title, like Gross Profit Performance. Right below that, use the Time Period dropdown to select your timeline tracking baseline. We'll set ours to this year to date. Once your layout filters look exactly the way you want them, slide down to the bottom right corner of the screen and click the bright green Add to Dashboard button. The customization panel snaps shut, and your beautiful new Live Updating Gross Profit widget is officially pinned onto your main cockpit. Now you can check your real-time profitability and markup health every single time you open up your books without running manual spreadsheets. If this quick charting setup guide simplified your visual dashboard layout today, drop a like, subscribe, and consider hitting that join button to support the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.